Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special surprise for you guys. As we know, all the Jeffree Star lip glosses just came out called the gloss. No, I didn't buy the gloss. I wish I did. But I did buy my very first piece of Jeffree Star. My very first piece of Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I got the concealer. I ordered the Jeffree Star concealer. They were sold out of all of my shades that I could have got. So you know what I did? I bought white. I bought the white. Kaden, why did you buy the fucking white concealer? You're tan. Why do you need white? Well, bitch, it makes a good eyeshadow base. It'll make a good artsy shit. I don't know. It'll just do good stuff, man. It's the same formula. I haven't opened it yet because I wanted to open it with you guys. Also got a couple new things. I have used this, but I haven't used it on my channel yet. It's the Maybelline Master Fix by Face Studio, and I love it. I've been using my Coty Airspun, but I think I'm gonna try this today. I mean, it's white translucent powder, so why not? Oh! And I bought a new shade of foundation. Oh! I've been stuck on the Maybelline. I need to go ahead and go out of my price range, spend about 40 bucks. Blah. And maybe get the Estee Lauder or maybe some of Tarte's new foundation, like the Found Sealer. Is that how you say it? Would love that, but right now we're just sticking with Maybelline because it works for me. Oh my god, last week my skin was so dry. And last night it was still peeling. And I was trying to fix the floor in my bathroom and a metal piece popped up and hit me in my freaking nose. So now we gotta cover that up today. I already did my eyebrows. I thought I would spare you. I use my Tarte concealer to shape them in, which now I'm realizing this concealer is like my skin tone. What if I use this concealer on my entire face? I usually put a filter on my video. I use my Samsung Galaxy. I usually use the sunshine filter and it just kind of puts a veil over my face. So here it is. Here's my face in the raw. No Facetune here, bitch. Oh, the foundation. 240 Golden Beige. Ah! Dewy and smooth. I don't like the sunscreen in it, but oh well. We could mix it with a full coverage. Nah, we'll let it live its full life today. Oh, God! Because I'm wigging out, man. Let's open our package! I'm so excited, you guys. I've never owned anything Jeffree Star before. I just want to open it. This is not discreet. If you're like in the closet, bitch, Jeffree Star is going to put you on blast. He is going to send you all the way out, son. Put me on your PR list. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry, look! Oh! Oh, Jeffree! It's so beautiful! Oh my god. Ew, I feel dry skin. Ew, this isn't gonna work. I feel dry skin. Is this what your warehouse smells like? Cardboard and plastic? Oh, I love it. Let's look at the ingredients. Water, cyclopentylachlin, butylene glycol. Yeah. Okay, I don't know shit that's in this. Jeffree opens it from the bottom. Shade C0. Hello? Hello? Let me out. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now I got it. Ah! Bitch! I am living my 90s fantasy right now. Ah! Oh, give me a beauty sponge. Give it to me now. Look how beautifully it blends out, you guys. Oh my. Ooh, I'm thirsty. I haven't figured out what we're going to use this for yet, but it doesn't matter. Today we're going to use our Olay Original Cream Active Hydration. I'm sorry, Active Hydrating. I'm just going to use my monitor, guys. We're going to go in first with our poreless putty primer. Why does my brush stink? Stop, 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 stop. We are going to use our E.L.F. poreless. I need a mirror right here. I would love to have a mirror right here. See, that's a nice golden tan. Are you ready? Let me get my mirror. Oh. It's definitely not the color of my skin. As long as you cover up all your natural skin, what's it matter, right? I wanted to show you my color corrector. Okay. It's okay. We'll just have to reprime a little bit right here. Let's use our new color corrector. I just wanted to do my under eyes, because when I do my makeup, I still have kind of a dip. You see that dip right there? I don't want that dip to show as much, so we're just gonna color in that shadow and hope that it counteracts and that it doesn't look like a shadow anymore. I'm going to do my nose too, and the reason being is because you can always kind of see my blackheads. What do you guys think? Do you like it? We are going to use our Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer. It's Pride Month, and I'm thinking about doing a nice, classic rainbow look. You want to taste the rainbow this week? Would you like to taste the rainbow? I need Botox. What would happen okay, I see you, girl. Blends out so good. A little bit of Jeffree Star up here and see what happens. Wow. Let's do a little bit of cream contour with our E.L.F. cream contour palette. You guys know I live for this. Oh, I gotta poop. Okay guys, we are going to go ahead and bake. We have to get rid of some of these creases, son. We have to keep it cute, keep it cute. Bake is on. Look at that dough foot, you guys. Look at that. It's Pride Month, so I want to try to do something colorful. Wow. Interesting. Love that for me. All right, Jeffree, come through. I forgot what order the gay flag colors are in. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. This is scary, going with a clean brush. I'm going to add some yellow. Maybe I did this backwards. Maybe I should have did yellow on the inside and red on the outside. Stupid. Let's take that orange and blend out the red and the yellow. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but my dog is outside barking. The Chihuahua, Chiweenie or something. She's freaking aggravating. If anybody wants a Chiweenie with overly sized, dragged out tits, let me know. Scared, I'm scared, I'm scared. I actually kind of like that. Okay, all right, let's do the other side. Here's a real trick. Ta-da! So now for the bottom, we are going to go in right here with a green, I think. I'm panicking inside. Add a little bit of blue right here. I'm panicking. Ah! I don't know how this is gonna turn out. Let's wipe this bake off. What the fuck have you done? Where's my mic? I finished my eyes, I did my eyelashes, I did my eyeliner, I did my eyeshadow underneath, and I pulled it together. The inner corner of my lash would not stick, so it took me a long time to fight with that. I'm okay with it. The blending though, no sis. We still gotta do our lip and our highlighter. We're gonna have to wrap this up. The color, we're just gonna do a nude. I think my next big purchase is going to be some Jeffree Star lipstick because, and this stuff that I'm using, it just ain't it, sis. Setting spray. Oh, I forgot to bronze. Oh, it smells so good. I want to use my baking brush to bronze today. My makeup's a little patchy today, but it's okay. My skin's dry, so what can you expect? I know I haven't really contoured my nose to the best of my abilities for you guys yet. It's coming. We got thousands more videos to make in the future, so we'll see. I have a big nose anyway, so I just kind of let it be big. And as far as the color correction in the Jeffree Star and the concealer underneath my eyes, it did good. It did its job. It looks a lot better than normal. The dips aren't as noticeable. As far as creasing, it's not too bad other than what normally creases. I love the new concealer. It didn't have a fair shot because A, it's white, so I can't really use it for much. B, I use Tarte mostly, so. It is a we tried and we liked and we will be back for it. I forgot blah 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 blush. You know the deal. 3 colors, bloom bloom bloom, tap tap tap. We're gonna go in with Illusion right here. True. What do we think? Do we hate it? Let me know in the comments. Today we checked out the new Jeffree Star concealer, and like I said, this is the first Jeffree Star Cosmetics product I have ever owned. I'm very happy with my purchase. It takes me back to Sailor Moon, and I just feel like I could transform. Not cute. We'll just add it to the collection of concealers. The color correction went okay. Still got my tips, but we're moving past that. Have a happy Pride Month and be safe. You got a little turned up. Oh, you guys, next week we might have a surprise. Hopefully I'll get some more makeup ordered between now and next week. I doubt it. Hope you guys enjoyed this. We never know what's in store. I love you all. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your love. Everybody leave your comments. Hit the like button. The like button helps me so much. Show YouTube that I'm worthy. Okay, bye guys. Good night. I'll see you next week. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking now. Good night.